Hello, in front of me I have the Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you kick blocking tutorial. In the beginning, let's go to kick blocking. Key positions on the defensive line are able to break through and block a field goal or extra point. These positions are indicated by the three icons when running FG block plays. The trick to kick blocking is to press R key as soon as the ball is snapped to break through the offensive line. Rush off the edge and press X when in range of the kicker to dive for the block. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, comment and subscribe.